Hey you guys, I want to review for you two new items that I got. First, let's start with this cardigan. This is the new Farro Birna cardigan. I'm wearing size medium, which is my true to size. And this material, it is so stretchy, so soft and comfy. And it also has this kind of woven texture on it. It's the perfect neutral color. I feel like it would be so cute with denim jeans, shorts. I say shorts as we're in California. We're like really pushing for the fall thing, but we're not quite there yet. But I love it. Let me show you where it hits. I'm 5'4" for size reference. You can see where it hits on me, but I love it and I think it is super cute. Let's talk about these leggings next. These are our new light and tights. We are calling this color Bright Jade, and it is just that. It is the most brilliant, beautiful color. Absolutely love it, and it's all the things we love in our light and tights. Of course, it's high rise, no pockets on these, 7/8 length. I have socks on, but they would hit like right here at my ankle. So absolutely love both of these, and I feel like these are both gonna be must-haves for fall.